We are going to give brief indications on how to focus the laser. First of all, we must make sure that the optical fiber is correctly connected to both the lens of the detector box and the laser output of the control box. The socket on both the detector box and the control box have notches, while the optic fiber connectors have nubs. Notch and nub should fit properly in each of the two connections. The fiber connectors must be screwed in until the end. We move the micro positioners to place the laser lens as low as possible, that is, as close as possible to the detector and centered on it. This will be our starting position. After bias the detector at around 100 volts, we can start the data acquisition. It is very important to start with a run of pedestals so that we can efficiently subtract the noise and therefore be able to easily see the laser signal. We started a run of laser, watching the event display and selecting signal for the display. We can appreciate some small charge in the central strip. From the initial position of the laser lent over the detector, we can start slowly raising the lent. We will see how the charge increases. Be careful because if we raise the lens too much, the signal will disappear. Once the signal is observed, a finer focus can be carried out. We hope this video helps you focus the laser.
For more information about the Educational Alibava System, please contact us.